You can tell me how A affects the graph. How so?
Moving the sides, like, I don't even know.
Okay, so it gets steeper or less steep. But then did you make it do this? When did it go upside down? Oh, when A is negative. Got it. Okay. Raise your hand if you can tell me how H affects our graph.
It's like where the base point is, like on like a
Okay, so this is I can move it right or left. Ah. Okay. And then what about Y's? Or the K? It moves it up and down. So question, if I wanted an absolute value function, that's what this is, but I want it to go right 2 and up 3, what am I going to do? How do I make it go right 2? The H needs to be a 2, and the K needs to be 3. Like that? So watch this. Absolute value of x minus 2 plus 3. Boom.
And where did we click on this?
Oh, dang it. Okay. What do I need to do to make an upside down absolute value? So if I put like -3 absolute value of x, boom, I have an upside down one.
Step? What does step mean?
Don't worry about it. Okay. I just wanted you to move the sliders. Okay. We are going to be done playing around with Desmos. I have a notes sheet I've put in front of you. Please grab it while you put your computer away. Oh, no. Here it is.
no problemo, yo.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay.
You get it out.
Interesting. I think it's right here.
Oh, gosh.
Okay. So here we go. An absolute value function is going to look like this. The parent function, where everything is like at its home base, okay, what we started with is y equals the absolute value of x. And this is what it looks like. We have a vertex here at 0, 0. Get it? V for the vertex. Okay, cool, thanks. What do you notice about each side of the vertex?
They all the same.
What do you mean the same?
Like infinite. And they're going to they'll never touch.
Okay. Okay. So Alexis says, stop. Alexis says they mirror each other. So notice how, like this one has a slope of, what's this slope?
1, 1.
And what's this slope? What?
-1.
Ah. So we have a slope of 1 over here and a slope of -1 over here. So that's what's going to happen with this absolute value graph. Is one side's going to have positive slope, one side's going to have negative slope. That way it makes a nice pretty V. Okay? And what we need to be able to do, we need to be able to A, figure out where the vertex is, and then B, be able to use the other information to plot the vertex and graph the shape. Okay? So, I want you to notice that it's x minus h plus k. All right? So, if I am asking you for what is the vertex here on number 1, this is x minus
X plus 2 minus 3.
-1.
this is x plus 2, but it should be x minus a number. So what number are we minusing from x?
2, 3,
4.
4,
0.
1, 2, -1, -2.
Yes.
And then it turns to a positive because it's two negatives minus each other.
What?
What?
So this is telling us that we're going to go left 2. And this is telling us that we're going to go down 3. So our vertex is going to go left 2, down 3, and there is our absolute value. You know, it'd be a lot easier to understand if you just shut your mouths. All of you. There's like 10 people talking right now. Inside the absolute value, h is telling us to go right or left. Outside the absolute value, after is telling us to go up or down. Which way are we going 1 here?
Down.
It's right or left.
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 Right.
Look above.
It is
Left.
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 It's right. Right. How?
Because it's opposite.
Oh, thank you, Truman, for figuring that out. Since this is x minus h, it's going to be kind of like opposite of what our brain wants it to be. Shh. X plus 2 means we're going left 2. X minus 1 means we're going right 1. So we're going to go right 1, and then do we go up or down any? No. So 1, 0 is where our vertex is.
That makes a lot of sense.
Okay. So Ethan, how many do we move left or right? Okay. We don't move left or right, and then this tells us which way.
Up
Up
forward.
4.
You're adding 4, not subtracting.
Whatever we add or subtract after the absolute value is telling us where to move up or down. So this one was down 3 because we had minus 3 after. Quiet.
I was telling you something.
Okay. Okay. So, these are the steps that we're going to take in order to graph our absolute value. Figure out where the vertex is. We need to be able to decide if we have a stretch or a shrink. So, when we were doing this, there's just the undo. Oh, there's the undo. Okay. Okay. When we had this back at our home base, I'll get these back. Okay. This was really skinny and this was really wide. Did anybody figure out what kind of numbers it took?
A note.
A positive number and a negative.
Okay, this seems really wide. Is that negative?
No, it's positive.
Okay. And that's positive.
Uh-huh.
What?
I don't get it. I'm confused.
Well, I'm trying to get you to tell me how I make this skinny versus really wide.
It has to be a decimal.
But there's not an A in the equation. There's a Y in it, but that's not in this one.
Hey, it's the number in front.
There's a Y in the front. It's not a number.
You don't see an A?
No. I don't. I see one right there, but I don't see it.
Okay. So, if A is bigger than 1, we are going to have a skinny, stretched absolute value. If A is less than 1, but it's got to be bigger than 0. So somebody said, oh, a decimal. Well, not necessarily a decimal or a fraction, but it just needs to be smaller than 1. Okay? We are then going to count slope. You know what's going to tell us slope?
Y's over 1.
A is going to tell us what the slope is going to be. Slope is rise over run. Yes. Okay. So, here we go. Since it's an absolute value, I know it's going to be a V. The first thing we need to figure out is where the vertex is. How many do we move left or right?
0.
Okay. No, that's not what we're doing. And then this means
Down 2.
down 2. Okay, so our vertex is at 0, -2. Okay? What is our A value? What number is in front of the absolute value?
0.
I don't think so.
1.
Okay, A equals 1. So since it's positive, we know our absolute value is going to open up.
Because there's nothing there.
Because there's not a number there, so there's an invisible 1. Okay? Hey, it's okay to have questions. It's not okay to laugh at somebody for having a question. Grady, you're not helping. Okay, so since A is 1, we are going to count slope. Up 1 over 1. Up 1 over 1.
I bet you was.
For half of my V. How do I get the other half? By going the other way.
Makes it a negative.
Up 1, left 1. Up 1, left 1. Isn't that beautiful?
Just like me.
Done.
Good one, Lily.
Ethan, do you have a question?
I'm confused on everything.
What can I help you with?
I don't even know.
That again, I think it would be helpful if we shut our mouths.
How did we get A equals 1?
Since there's not a number in front of the absolute value, we know it's 1.
But then how did we know it? Negative 1, 1? Oh.
Okay. Let's go to the next one.
I've seen those videos of the cat. Where it's like,
Hey, that's not what we're doing right now. Okay,
I woke up one night.
our vertex.
Larry was standing.
Okay. Which way are we moving to?
Up.
Down.
Down.
Both wrong.
Left. Right. Left. Right. Left.
Down.
When we are inside the absolute value, it's left or right, and it's backwards. Okay? How many do we move up or down?
-1.
What are you talking about?
Dude, it's a 1 next to the S, no? It's
But after there is
That's A. That's A. That's A. Negative. It's A.
so -2, 0 is our vertex. Grady, you are right. A is a -1. Because A is negative, what does that mean about our absolute value?
Going left.
No.
You're going right. You're going down.
Shrink.
You're going
Okay,
down.
it's upside down.
It's upside down.
It's upside down, Ryan.
Are you okay?
So I am going to use A, and I'm going to count that slope.
What do you mean upside down? So it goes like.
So instead of a V, it's going to be an upside down V.
Right?
Technically, all of them are. Okay, so I'm going to count down 1, right 1.
You said down.
Down 1, right 1. And
Left 2. What?
well, from my vertex, which is left 2, we start with our vertex, and then we're going to count our slope. So I went to the right. Now I'm going to count my opposite slope to go to the left. Wait, what?
Do we have to draw the lines?
Yeah.
We didn't draw them on the other one.
Well, sure did.
Excuse me. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Too much water in my system.
My sweet 8th period children, I need your focus. Because now we're getting in to some heavier problems. Okay, Liliana.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's start step by step. Red table, you're driving me bonkers. Lane, don't be looking like you're part of it. Stop. Okay, let's first start with our shifts. Is this left or right?
Right.
Okay, so we're going to go right 3
Down 2, up 2.
and then up 2. So everyone go put their vertex at 3, 2. Just do it and don't make noise.
3, 2.
Ethan. Okay. Now, Ainsley, what's the A value?
Huh? Oh, 2/3.
Okay, so first of all, that's positive, correct?
Yes.
Okay, it's positive, which means it's going to be opening up. It's less than 1, which means, is it a shrink or a stretch?
Stretch. Yep. Both. Shrink. That's what I said.
Okay. Why do we say that it's a shrink?
Less than 1.
Yes. Visually, our V is going to get pushed down to be wider. So watch this. If I count my slope up 2 over 3, there is half of my V. If I count my opposite slope up 2 over 3,
Wait a minute.
okay, yeah,
That take it up to over 3.
just like we would with slope.
Like X over Y.
Okay, So I, from my vertex, counted up 2 over 3 because that's what A told me my slope was going to be. Then I have opposite slope, up 2 left 3. So there is my V. So notice how from the other two that had just normal A equals 1, it got shrunk vertically.
Yes.
Okay. Look at number 8. Will you write down where you think the vertex should be for number 8? Bennett, where's our vertex?
3
Up 3.
and then over 4. Negative.
Right one, right one, right one.
Right 1.
Negative 1.
So right 1 and up 3 means our vertex is at 1, 3. Okay. What is our A value? Okay. So, first of all, it's upside down. Second of all, it's being stretched because of the 4 is bigger than 1. So this is going to be a really skinny upside down V. Okay. So I'm going to count my slope. I don't have a fraction. How do I count it?
Down 4 over 1.
4 over 1.
4 over 1.
41.
So there's my slope of 4 over 1. Then on the other side, I'm going to count opposite slope to make a V.